Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is ROOSAMEKTO MAMEK, aka Raja Mexico. Okay, without any further talk, let's do the walkthrough. And this is my right foot, yeah. Okay. One, two, and three, four, and five, six, and seven, eight, and one, two, and three, four, and five, six, and seven, eight, and that's all. I am going to repeat one more time, facing 3 o'clock, yeah? 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and I'm going to repeat facing camera. And this is my right foot, yeah? 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. But there is 2 take. Take 1 is 2 count. The take is 1, 2. For the take 2 is a 4 count. And this is my right foot, yeah? 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Okay, that's all. If you like it, don't forget please to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel. And special for Indonesian instructor, dancer, community, please to make a video demo of this choreography. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day and Happy New Year.